Yes, so my country people I agree to now. Chelsea 2 and Arsenal 2. And we get Oga Nelson will be Obunga football lover, Obunga person, and Obunga Arsenal fan. Make tell us about how you see this game. Oga Nelson, this game, a bit like say they don't break Arsenal face finish because about 70 something minutes, they shout when they shout for inside here. Now, whether I made a sorry for Arsenal, Chelsea fans say no, they need to pack and give Arsenal more. But Arsenal can come back from that place because people like say they want soak Arsenal, but Arsenal content they say they be Gary, they rise. How you see Arsenal performance for this game?
Arsenal performance normally they try sharp, but I was not really too impressed. I'm not that impressed with the game where they play. Now suits me. Normally the Arsenal we play Man City. Even as so we take play Chelsea here. And not be this 2-2 where we dey talk now for B because first half Arsenal was disastrous. Nothing they play of first half. No attempt. Saka just did there. I not even the verse safe. But like I said, current form of Chelsea and Arsenal, as at this time, not be Chelsea go fit win Arsenal for this game. But at the end of the day, like from 60, 65 minutes to 70, Arsenal can they play the kind ball we say normally they're supposed to play. Where we say even as we dey watch the match here, people they all are more sorry for them, no sorry, but as they finish that comment, Arsenal don't score one. Me, I know say if Chelsea not take time, we go win them. But at the end of the day, well, the match end 2-2. I give kudos to Arsenal. From 2 goals down, come play 2-2, they try. It shows say they get fighting spirit to draw this match to get 1 point.
So make I ask you about one incident what happened for the game. The mistake when Arsenal goalkeeper David Raya make. Because you know say this Arsenal goalkeeping position now one when don't cause many debates about who Arsenal Mikel Arteta go use as number one. Because he get another Ogbonge goalkeeper, Aaron Ramsdale. You think say this mistake when David Raya make now, Ramsdale need to start next match?
Yes, so because me as I tell like this now, Ryan a good goalkeeper. Ryan good, I know they lie down one. But it be like the overhyping now don't make and they want mumu. For me, if I'm to be Arsenal coach, then I be Arsenal coach, I go see they play that Ramsdale. Because only way I see say Raya good pass the Ramsdale, now passing. But the reflex, goalkeeping, some kind of intelligence to catch ball, Ryan, he not get them. Because me, if you look Tottenham match and the Chelsea match, now players and goalkeeper now they kill the game. Our match against Lens Champions League, now the same error from Raya. Against Tottenham, now error from Jorginho. Now against Chelsea, error from Raya. Raya, I don't know. Maybe if he say na ball link up play, like the way Nana they do for Man U. Forget saying na goalkeeper he be. Because that goal where they score Raya, if say Raya, go back. See and say that man, they in defender they with Modric. He not supposed to come outside like that. If you look Modric, now I take deceive Raya. If they look Raya, if they look as if say he won't bring pull out. Raya mind now if he say na pull out he won't bring. He just see him, he chip him. So that's an error from Raya. So for me, if Arteta go continue to use Raya, make it still also tell that Raya, make it not the two they come out. It come out when it's necessary, not be when they play ball like this. Ball never even go cross center of post, center of field. Goalkeeper don't come outside from 18 yards. Knowing fully well that at any point in time counter can happen here. Like the way they chip on just now. So even somebody like Ramsdale, I believe that will not be go. Because he needed to come out like that. But any which way, the keeper get luck say at the end of the day, that's a couple play and 2-2. But for me, make Arteta try his possible best. May start Ramsdale for another man. May Raya dey bench for another 2 matches. Make it see how it be so that even if he come back, he go buckle up. Yeah.
So make I ask you about the midfield battle because you know say that midfield battle we see what in Arsenal play against Manchester City, even for the Community Shield. How you see the way Arsenal cope with the midfield battle today against Chelsea? Because it be like saying that Chelsea win this one when we see for today's game.
Yes.
But you as an Arsenal fan, how you see that midfield battle between Chelsea and Arsenal for this match?
And the midfield battle, Chelsea winner for first half, no doubt. And that was how Chelsea take get edge past Arsenal. Because if you look, you know, say Arsenal normally now from back with the player our ball they come. But you now see that sometimes when defender won't give ball for midfield, Chelsea block. Because then they know say our injury room be that. And for the first half, Chelsea win them well. But the second half, na 50-50. But Arsenal take more of the possession for the midfield. Like when they can remove Jorginho, Declan Rice call 4 back. Smith Rowe can't go front. Then, if you now look, Declan Rice can't they win more of the ball for the midfield than Jorginho. Now, where we say they get the error. He said Jorginho no come on for not withdraw this match. Not be say he fuck up, but that aspect of winning the ball, moving the ball, give correct passes was not there in the first half. Because first half, Jorginho play more of the 4. Why Declan Rice they support they go front. But this time, by the time they remove Jorginho, Declan Rice come back. Cause okay, yes, let me get this 4 now. Make a plan the way I supposed to the plan. Then Smith Rowe can't go front. You see and say positive result come. When Chelsea goalkeeper make that mistake, a quick thinking midfielder, he not even touch the ball. Say make it hold on like the way Jorginho they do. If not Jorginho now, he go trap him, he go move. Before he go do keeper don't cover. But I think just see that small chance. Put him. So for second half, Arsenal get the midfield past them. First half na Chelsea.
So what do you think about Martin Odegaard performance today against Chelsea?
Odegaard not play ball. More not like performance now like 20% over 100. Yeah, not play ball, not play ball.
So you think say the team missed Thomas Partey for that midfield battle today?
Very well. I believe say if say na Thomas Partey and Declan Rice start this match for win Chelsea. There's no doubt about that. Not give it to the judge. But I don't know. Waiting Mikel Arteta see they think. Whether I never get clear picture of, because if you see that Thomas Partey, only the few minutes when he come in for Man City match, now it change the game. Now it change the game. So, like this now, so if I were to be Arteta, make Thomas Partey and Declan Rice start game, we'll play better. That's it be.
So I want to ask you about Arsenal attacking position now. You know, say this now one debate when people they talk, because for the first half, people like say Arsenal no get any attacking threats at all for the first half. But we don't hear rumors concerning Arsenal say striking position. Now one of the players when they go try to bring in for January. We dey hear talk about Ivan Toney. We dey hear talk say Arsenal say they put eye for Victor Osimhen. You think which among these players when Arsenal be done they linked with, which one you go like make Arsenal sign for that number 9 position?
Now wow. If Arsenal they go for Ivan Toney and Osimhen, forget saying I be Nigerian man. Osimhen I be the 9 now. We need a standing 9. Because this kind of Gabriel Jesus 9, Gabriel Jesus is a good player normally. He did good. But he's not that prolific when it comes to 9. He's not too strong. He's a good player. He can move the ball. But that aspect, see Man City now. Despite the fact, say, Alan not too good for footwork, but only in presence for team, they make the opponent the fear because we need a standing 9, no doubt about that. All these Nketiah, Gabriel Jesus go fit play from flank. But that 9, we need them. So if really Arsenal they go, let it be saying based on rumor. But if saying true, say Arsenal they go for a striker. If they cannot fit get Osimhen, I never too see that Infantoni performance. Though it good though, but I go prefer me they go for the Osimhen than the Infantoni. So that I will not say we'll get a 9. When we say if we dey jam teams, defenders like Arsenal now. When we dey play some kind teams, they know they fear. Because why? We will not get that 9 when we say man. Like that year when we say, though even Thierry Henry was not playing 9. He come from flank. But it's only appearance most times when he don't call worry defenders. He say and say, everywhere they shake. Because defenders self, they are scared about Thierry Henry make a whole ball. But Arsenal never get that kind of nine. Nah. If you get your whole ball now, defenders say they fear. Defender, I mean, in case now this make opportunity come, make it try. Not be say now one attacker where you go put mind for say you go deliver team. So if Arsenal they go for striker, they should try their best to get to Osimhen. If they cannot get to Osimhen, make them look for another striker. If the Anthony still go okay, say na good now, yo. Maybe when he come Arsenal now, with the life of Odega, Declan Rice, Saka, Gabriel Jesus, Martinelli, if he play better 9. So 9 normally now a problem for Arsenal currently. We just dey play. Maybe say the team na good team. That make we fit dey play. If the team be like all this, the kind of performance wey Man U and Chelsea all of them they get, they will not come get 9 general. Arsenal na nonsense. So any which way, if Anthony Osimhen, I would prefer Osimhen.
So Arsenal next game now against Sevilla for UEFA Champions League. What do you expect from the team against that game? And what will be your score prediction?
Sevilla they come home. Yes, or will they go away?
Arsenal supposed to play home. Arsenal play less last.
So then they come home. We'll win there now. We'll win there. Normally Sevilla and a team the last time we jam for Arsenal be 3-0 and 4-0 we give themselves. We'll be there, we'll give them 3-0, make them go sleep.